Good day. My topic is all about human resource policies and practices. Ang topic na ito ay nakatuon sa mga guidelines o pamantayan sa pagpili ng tatanggapin para sa isang posisyon. Sa aking report, may papakita kung paano at ano-ano ang mga bagay na kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin sa paghahanap ng empleyado. Selection devices. Ang mga ito ang ginagamit na kasangkapan ng human resource team upang masuri at maayos na mapili ang isang empleyado. Interview are the most frequently used selection tool. Carry a great deal of weight in the selection process. Can be biased toward those who interview with. Should be structured to ensure against distortion due to interviewers' biases. Are better for assessing applied mental skills, conscientiousness, interpersonal skills, and person-organization fit of the applicant. Interview. Ito ang pinakamadalas na ginagamit ng mga human resource team. Ngunit, hindi ibig sabihin na ito ang pinaka-akmang gamitin sapagkat minsan ay nagiging bias ang interview base sa kaugnayan ng interviewee at interviewer. The selection process. Initial selection. Applicants who don't meet basic requirements are rejected. Substantive selection. Applicants who meet basic requirements but are less qualified than others are rejected. Contingent selection. Applicants who are among best qualified but who fail contingent selection are rejected. Written test. Isa pang selection device na ginagamit para masukat ang intelligence, attitude, kakayahan, interest, at integrity. Stimulation test. Kumbaga, ito ay parang demo na kung saan maobserbahan ang diskarte at kakayahan ng isang applicant na gawin ang trabaho. Training and Development Program. Maaari ding isalang mula sa mga training ang applicant